Good morning, reception. For your maths lesson today, we're going to be using the skills that we've learnt throughout the week. So we're going to look at the larger number to count on to complete and write an addition calculation. So by the end of this lesson, you will be writing an addition calculation counting on from the larger number. To do this, you'll need your number line or your ruler, your cards that you've made from the start of this week, or your playing cards, and remember to take out all those cards that have not got a number value on them. Okay, to play this game and write your calculation, you're going to pick two cards. I've picked the ace, which has a value of 1, and the 3, which has a value of 3. Now, earlier this week we learnt to identify the larger number using a number line, looking which number was furthest away from 0, and we also looked at comparing the amounts with the dots or the images on the picture. I can see that this is the smaller number. The 1 is smaller than 3 because it's closer to 0 on my number line. So this is the larger number. I'm going to put my largest number first in my calculation. I'm going to write this as an addition calculation, which will be 3 add 1 equals. We can write the number 3. If you need reminding, your addition sign looks like this. 3 add 1, and then your equal sign 2. Horizontal lines like that, make sure equal sign. 3 add 1 equals. Now, to work it on, we're going to count on from the largest number. So we're going to put 3 in our head. 3. We've got 1 on our card. We can use the card image or we can use our finger to count on. 3, 4. 3 add 1 equals 4. You can use a number line. You find the number 3 and count on 1. And your answer is 4. Let's have another go. I've got the calculation the number 5 and the number 7. Now when I look at the number 5 and the number 7, I can see that there are more pictures on the 7 card. I also can see that 5 is closer to 0 and 7 comes after it on the number line. It's closer to 20. So I know that 7 is my larger number. I'm going to put 7 first. My calculation will read 7 add 5 equals. I'm going to write that down. 7 add 5 equals. Now, we can count on from the larger number using the pictures on the cards, or we can use our number line, or we could use our fingers. I'm going to use the pictures on the card. 7 in my head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 add 5 equals 12. Remember, when you're writing your calculation, you're putting your larger number first because you're going to count on from the larger number and that will help you. Use your number line, use the pictures to help you, use your fingers if you have to. If you want a challenge, use larger amounts. If you want to make it easier, use smaller amounts. So take some of the higher value cards out. See how many calculations you can get written down, and I really look forward to seeing what you can do. If you could post that on the portfolio section of our class dojos, that would be great, and I can't wait to see what you get up to.